Let's take a look at NewAge Business Rewards, the 8th way to get paid with the NewAge compensation plan. What are NewAge Rewards? So NewAge Rewards is a loyalty program unique to NewAge. Through this program, brand partners can work towards rewards outside of their paycheck. Potential rewards include luxury retreats, exclusive experiences, diamonds, designer products. It rewards brand partners for building their business through business credits. So how do you earn business credits? They're earned through many different ways. Consistently ordering products, duplication, the power of 4, reach your business level, pay line volume growth, new customers and members, advancing your title, earning at your title, attending corporate events, completing online training, and power ranking. Now there's a special training section devoted specifically to business credits so you can find out more. So now that we've covered off how to earn business credits, let's talk about how to redeem your business credits. So with NewAge Business Rewards, you choose your incentives and your lifestyle perks. Take your chance and win in the NewAge Lucky Draw. You can give to charity and gain true happiness. You can get some serious swag, so it could be a new laptop, new phone, NutriBullet, a new vacuum cleaner, new hair curler. Things are always changing in the land of business rewards. And when you hold the title of chairperson or above, you can tell us your dream and we can make it a reality. So you can use your business credits to win, give, get, and dream.